Hello community. So we've just got one day left until I'm running the workshop. So the workshop, it's right now, it is Thursday morning. I know what day it is, unlike yesterday. It is Thursday morning here on the Gold Coast. And so 24 hours time, Friday morning in the Southern Hemisphere, Thursday night in the Northern Hemisphere, we have got the Profit First training workshop, 2.5 hours. So right now, I want to tell you or talk to you about two things. So one is the bonuses, make that really, really clear. And the second one is why you would want to come, what problems we're going to solve, and really to ask you to ask yourself, what are you struggling with, and why aren't you solving the problems, yeah? So in terms of the bonuses, to be crystal clear, you need to come to the event to get the bonuses, okay? You can register for the event, you'll get the recording, but if you want the bonuses, you got to show up, all right? So the two bonuses, one is your conversion resource valued at $1,000. It is really high value, okay? All the tribe members in my program use this resource and they all rave about it and they all love it. It is really simple, but it is incredibly high value, okay? So you'll get that if you come to the event. And the other thing you'll get is a workbook. You'll get my slides as a workbook to keep forever and to use, okay? So it's going to contain all the things around marketing, selling, and management, which are the three big keys we're going to cover off. So the next thing I would like to ask you is, as a bookkeeper in practice, so whether you're in practice now or you're launching or you're working part-time and trying to build your practice, so what do you need right now? What problems are you trying to solve, okay? And I really am kind of thinking about the bookkeepers that I'm talking to here all around the world. So the problems that we tend to face are these. So they're on the win the work or do the work side. So do you need to find new clients, yeah? When you find a client, do you know what to do with them? Meaning, do you have a really great pricing strategy? Do you have productized services? Like, do you need those? Ultimately, the Profit First workshop is because all roads lead to profit. Like, if I could show you how to win one client that would pay you $10,000 a year, or you had to win 10 clients that would pay you $1,000, you would be doing a lot more work, yeah, for the same amount of reward as the one client. So what I want to show you is not only how to find new clients, oh my goodness, not just that, even though absolutely I will show you how to create a pipeline of inquiries so it feels effortless. I want to show you what to do when you get that new client, okay? So find new clients, onboard them without price as a priority. All right, so the assets that I have in the program, for example, we joke that the prospective clients cannot press go fast enough. and I absolutely charge out at the top end of town. I back myself, I value myself, and I'm worth it. And they cannot press go fast enough, even though there are competitors out there that are half the fee structure that I charge out, okay? So this is exactly what I want to show you. So find new clients, onboard clients without price as a priority, yeah? Stay relevant and compete in a world of AI, automation, robotics are here, and cheap labor. That is really important. I'm working on a whole project over the coming year to really help bookkeepers solve that problem 10, 15 years into the future, okay? So, or are you just struggling with systems and team? Have you got more work than you can handle and you feel like I'm always struggling with systems and team? Because if you will let me, I will solve these problems for you. If you will not let me, then I won't, okay? So the transformation program is live. We are all in there kicking goals. The tribe is exceeding all my expectations and the program is exceeding all their expectations, which absolutely warms my heart, okay? The tribe is in there and I'm just thinking about some of the results. Like I'm thinking about a bookkeeper who would normally have charged $120 $50 for something she's charging $500 for now. So, you know, that is a 150, 300, three times increase in what she's charging. She's just posted that she's increased her revenue by 55% in the first month of work of being in the Strategic Bookkeeper Transformation Program. We have got so much results that we can show you. And actually, at the event, I will show you a couple of slides on exactly what everybody in the program is saying. So I'm going to rinse and repeat for a minute because I'm thinking about the bookkeepers out there, and I'm wondering, I'm not even that much wondering. I know what's stopping you, yeah? In terms of when you, so you have these problems, we know I can solve them, yeah? Have you read my book? Have you listened to my podcast? Are you coming to the free training? Are you backing yourself and going for it and joining the program? If you're not, the only reasons that can be possible is either time, yeah, money, or mindset. Yeah, they are the three things, right? So in terms of time, I need you to play the long game. However, everything that I've built for you in the Strategic Bookkeeper project, so the book, the podcast, and the free trainings and the program, it's all built for the busy multitasking parent. Okay, so the book I did audio format, so you can listen to it multitasking. The podcast is the same. Okay, the free training events, if you can't attend, are the same. The entire program content is designed to digest audio style while you're multitasking as a busy multitasking parent. If it's money, that is zero excuse, okay? The tribe members are getting a return on investment greater than the program fee week on week, all right? And that's what they're telling me. That's what I worked my ass off to achieve, okay? So that is not an excuse. When it comes to mindset, there's a couple of things. So there's the once bitten, twice shy, where you think, well, I went and paid for something once and you know what, it didn't work out. That's baggage from a past relationship, okay? And so you've got two choices. You leave that behind and you come into a program with a bookkeeper who will stop at nothing to help you thrive, and just ask in the Facebook group, does Jeannie do whatever it takes? Ask the paying members of my tribe, okay? So you're either going to leave that behind or you're going to let that baggage keep you stuck where you are, okay? And then the other mindset is just around fear, and when we are in fear, we stay stuck. We're scared to make decisions. The voice of shame coming up and saying, who do you think you are? You don't make good decisions, yeah? I know the voice of shame. I'm human. It is the human condition. We all have it, okay? And you know what? This year I decided to back myself and go for it. So when the three critics came up, the three critics being, we have the accidental critic that says things that confirm the voice of shame. Then we have the I'm not okay, you're not okay critic that throws what I call the bouquet with the brick in it because they're not feeling okay. And then we have the biggest critic of all, and that is the voice of shame that says, who do you think you are? You can't do this. You're not capable, and all of these things. The other two critics are only there to confirm the voice of shame. In this sea of positivity and people who are backing you and wanting the best for you and wanting to support you, don't let the three critics, the biggest one being yourself, bring you down. I have backed myself and I have gone for it this year, and I have kicked bigger goals than ever, and I will continue to work hard to back myself and go for it, even though just like you, I struggle, just like you, the voice of shame creeps up on my shoulder, but I know it is the human condition and that we all go through it. So what's stopping you? Can I help? Reach out to me anytime, ask me any questions, and I do hope to see you in the workshop tomorrow morning.